Hello, everybody, and welcome. We are going to be in this series of videos talking about the myWriteSmart writing options for teachers and students inside of our Journeys 2017 program. Over the past year, we've had many of our schools internationally working either in a hybrid or a completely virtual model. And as a result, we've received a lot of requests to kind of go through an overview of what is myWriteSmart, where do we find those assignments to push out to our students, how do we do so, and then once we do push those assignments out to our students, what does that look like maybe on the teacher side of things as far as giving feedback and seeing what my students are doing. So first here, I'm going to start off with an overview. If you don't even understand or are aware of what myWriteSmart is, I'm just going to give a little introduction here to show where in the text you could be looking and thinking about pushing these out to students. So I'm going to open my student ebook. And hopefully all of you are aware that for each of your 6 units, inside of the student text, you have what is called a unit opener page. And I'll open my table of contents just so that we can visually see that we've got unit 1 here with our 5 lessons that fall below it. Okay. On that unit opener page, there's always going to be a performance task preview. So at the end of roughly 5 weeks, our students are going to be asked to complete the performance task, right? We all understand the value of making students aware of what is going to be asked of them at the completion of the 5 weeks. So we outline that for them here. They're going to be writing a story. Now, if we direct our attention to the top right-hand corner, it is here where we first see the blue kind of rectangular icon for myWriteSmart. Now, keep in mind this performance task is one of the many options for different tasks or assignments that we have to push out to our students through the myWriteSmart feature. So I'm going to click on this for just a moment and realize that if your students clicked on that icon, it would tell them, if your teacher wants to assign this to you, they will. Okay, so they just kind of see that little reminder there. Performance task is, as I said, one option. Where else can I find this inside of the student book or times throughout the unit or lesson? Well, if I jump into lesson 1 and I jump into that Your Turn section, where we see opportunities for our students to turn and talk to a partner, you'll see once again that performance task option where we have students using the myWriteSmart feature. So once again, calling out to you to say, hey, by the way, you have a pre-created assignment to push out to your students. The last place we might see it in the student book, from turning page to page, would be if I jump to the grammar and writing portion. Again, in the center part of the page, you have that reminder. Okay, I'll also just kind of put it out there that if you're thumbing through your teacher's edition, you will see the same icon mentioned, again, alerting you that you have some myWriteSmart content available to push out to your students. Now, in the next video, I'm going to kind of walk through where I find the assignable assignment to push it out. So join me. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the HMH International Content Cares YouTube channel. If you're looking for more content, click on the video to the right of your screen. Welcome to our global community.